Hi, I'm Jake with the Graco Engineering Team. I'm going to show you how to install your True3Fit LX 3-in-1 car seat, rear facing with a vehicle seat belt. Before installing the car seat, let's prep it. Store the tether and the lower anchor connectors. Adjust the recline to position 1 or 2 marked on the blue label. Your vehicle should be on level ground. You can place rear facing in the vehicle, making sure that the base is flat and at least 80% is on the vehicle seat. Now you can check the level indicator to make sure that the ball is in the blue zone. Route the seat belt through the belt path. For easier access, you can lift the soft goods on the front of the seat to see what you're working on. When installing rear facing, take note of where the buckle is. If the buckle is in the middle or innermost position, then you should route the seat belt in front of it. If the buckle is in the outermost position, you should route the seat belt behind it. Make sure the seat belt is flat and not twisted across the belt path, and buckle it in. Now you can lock your retractor. In most vehicles, you pull the seat belt all the way out, and as you let it back in, you can hear it click and it won't allow any more slack. This is how you know it's locked. Next, to tighten the seat, push down on the center seat and remove all the slack from the vehicle belt. To check for tightness, grab the seat near the belt path and try to move it left to right and front to back. You shouldn't be able to move it more than 1 inch. Now double check the level indicator and make sure the ball is in the blue zone. Now you can reattach the seat pad and you're ready for your baby. Check for proper harness height. Make sure the straps are at or just below the child's shoulders for rear facing. Buckle the child and attach the chest clip. Tighten the harness using the straps at the front of the seat and check that the chest clip is at armpit level. Do the pinch test. You shouldn't be able to pinch any slack at the child's shoulders.